Well, we're at camp again today. It's pretty warm. It's been pretty warm all week. Things are starting to thaw. Very exciting because I'm gonna post a few videos. It's gonna be in stages. We're going to be building a garden out here this year. We have to fix the woodshed. We have many projects to do once the snow melts. One thing, I've been coming out here for almost 20 years. We got here and I looked down and I found some more interlock brick. I only thought it was about 2 feet away from the door here in the porch. But check this out. It goes all the way out to here. Before, I thought it was only like this little piece. So my mini project is going to be dig this all out. It's raining, so I'm not going to leave my phone out. And I'll be right back when it's done. Alrighty. Got as much as I could done because the ground is still partially frozen, but freaking da. I know it's pretty dirty looking, but I did what I could with what I had. Just a little bit of spring cleaning. Here at the camp is starting to melt. Bye-bye. Alrighty. I'm going to try to walk this. It's a little icy. I've got Jax with me. He's leading. Oops. My shutter's closed. Okay. Let's see if I can make it to the field. No promises. It's a really nice day. It's kind of windy. They're calling for a lot of rain tonight and tomorrow, so that should take care of a lot of this snow, but we're not staying here tonight. Just in case we get flooded out and we can't make it back, because we have jobs to get to. Oh, that's icy. One kind of bonus about Jack's running in front of me. He can tell me where the ice is. Now my garden's going to be a little bit of a hike, but not too much, you know. There's nothing wrong with a little bit of exercise. Lord knows I could use it. Where did he go? It looks a little bit icy there. Hey, Jax. All right. If I walk in the middle. Oh, okay. Sure, Jax. Just keep going. I should have worn my picks. Ooh, there we go. Good. Snow. It's a bit of a hike, but not much, though. So we have this big field, but 98% of the time, in the fall, we hunt it. We hunt this area. There's Jax. Just chilling. This area here. Whoa! Okay, that's a little deep. And then in this area. But we don't really hunt this area. So, east is this way, which means the sun comes up this way. So maybe right exactly here, I will build my 40 by 20 foot garden this year. Exciting! We'll see how well it goes. I've got some ideas.